Alright, this is CompTIA Lab 10.1.10 and we're going to configure network printing. So all of the tasks we're going to be performing in this lab has been highlighted here on the left pane. So let's get into the details of the tasks for this particular lab. So in a busy office environment, maintaining the confidentiality of printed documents is crucial, especially for sensitive information. A director wants to share the HP PhotoSmart Plus printer connected to their computer. This will allow other employees to safely print sensitive information to a more private location. So in this lab, the task is to share the printer on the Office One computer and then add the shared printer to Office 2 computer as follows. In Office 1, share the HP PhotoSmart Plus printer using the HP PhotoSmart Plus share name. Allow clients to render print jobs on their own computers. In Office 2, add the shared HP PhotoSmart Plus printer connected to Office 1 to the list of available printers. Make the HP PhotoSmart Plus printer the default printer. Alright, so I guess that is all we need to do for this particular lab. Let's look at what the first tasks want us to do and let us start up right away. Okay, so we'll go into Office let's see, we're going to Office 1 and we have our PhotoSmart printers and we have the CPU, we have our monitor, they're all connected and working. So let's go to the back of this printer and let's check if the power is connected. It's connected. You can see from here this is connected. The USB cable too is connected. Alright, so we'll go into the PC. Since this is connected, let's go into the PC and configure this printer. Alright, so we want to go into this start menu, or you search for control panel, and the reason is because we want to access this hardware and sound. From there you can view devices of printer. Let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly, and select the HP PhotoSmart Plus printer and right click, then printer properties. Yep, printer properties. Alright, so first off, I have to set this as a default printer so that when you send any printing job, it just goes directly to this particular printer. And let's see, any other thing we need to do. We go to okay, properties tab here is not yet okay. So we have to share the HP PhotoSmart Plus printer using the HP PhotoSmart Plus share name. Allow clients to render print jobs on their own computers. Alright, so that is for the first task. So allow clients. So to be able to do that, let's right click on this and nope. We Okay, so let's go back to this printer here. There has to be an option here. So we go to printer properties, and under printer properties, we want to go to the sharing option since we have to share this printer. So we check the share the printer, and let's see, allow clients to render print jobs on their own. Alright, so render print jobs on client's computer is checked. So we'll go ahead and apply this and click OK. Alright, so now other system can see this printer and render print jobs on this particular printer. Alright, so we'll go to Office 1 overview, floor 1 overview, and we'll go to Office 2 hardware. We go to hardware and printers and devices and printers, and the printer shared is this. I have to add a printer, and the printer I want to add is this one from Office 1, the Photo Smart Plus printer. I have to select these and add the HD position for printer from the list of available printers. Make the HD photo smart plus printer the default printer. Okay, so let's click next. Wait for it to install the necessary drivers for this particular printer. Alright, so we check the sets as a default printer here. So we're going to check this, and we'll go ahead and click finish, and that is it. So let's see, is there another thing we need to do here? Let's refresh. So by this time the printer should have okay, the printer should have showed here. So let's see, let's try refreshing, and the printer auto display here. So let's go back again and check, maybe because we need to refresh this. Alright, let's go ahead and scroll up and see how we do. Alright, so this is 100%. So whether the printer shows or not, as long as you did the right thing, you are good to go. So if you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Smash the like button, share the video to other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit me up in the comment section with any question you might have. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit. Until I see you again in my next video, peace.